Hey Doug, this is the Lightning. Beautiful red. Lariat. Power tailgate. And I mean fully power. Look, it even goes back up. The back seat space that you expect from a Ford F-150. Heated rear seats. All the power outlets. Inside. Memory seating. Side lighting. All your safety features. The big screen. We're even gonna look in the front. So it all opens up. And you have all your power stuff up here too. And power close.